What's up, guys? It's your girl JB here, and today I'm bringing you a cooking video. You see all my ingredients here, the measurements and everything will be listed below. You see me putting this chicken in this pot that has olive oil in it. And you guys, I'm gonna be making a 1-pot chicken and sausage Alfredo pasta with red seasoned potatoes and green beans. Ooh, it was so good. So yeah, you put the olive oil in the pot, chicken in the pot. That's kosher salt sprinkling up there. It's my cousin Kevin over there. And then you can just sprinkle some pepper up there. Oh, and this is Cajun pasta too, y'all. It's Cajun pasta. Cajun. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, Cajun. But you know, if you say it too fast, Cajun, same thing. Put the sausage in there after the chicken starting to brown a little bit. You want to put the sausage in there, let the sausage and the chicken catch up. Ooh. Now pouring in the milk. Well, no, this is not milk. This is heavy cream. This is heavy cream, you guys. This is not milk. It's heavy cream. Some chicken broth. Put in the chicken broth. See the green beans going over there? Those are French style green beans in a skillet with butter, salt and pepper on top, a little bit of water added in, turn it up on high, put a pan over it. I mean, not a pan, put a top over it, let the water cook out, and put some minced onions in it. Minced onions. Just giving it a good stir right there before we put the bow tie noodles in. And y'all, we use bow tie noodles because my cousin was being aggravating and he didn't want to use panini. But the original recipe calls for panini. And I got this recipe off Pinterest, y'all. So don't sleep on Pinterest. I love me some Pinterest now. So we're just gonna let that pot sit there for about a good 15 minutes. Or until the noodles get soft. We're gonna make us some garlic bread, y'all, because we forgot to get it from the store. So we're just gonna make us some garlic butter sauce. Look at that. Ooh, that's with no cheese, y'all. That's with no cheese. So you can tell how the noodles softened up. Y'all, this was so good. It was so good. I'm gonna have to make it again. Y'all, excuse my nails. I still ain't going to get a fill in yet. I'm going to go though. The next video, I promise my nails are going to be done. I promise. Got the potatoes over there in the pan with some minced garlic. And that's me putting the cheese in there. Trying to get this thing right. I've already turned the eye off that it's on. But I didn't move it. I just turned it off because I still want the heat, the leftover heat in it once I put the cheese in. But I want it to be off. Like, I don't want it to still be cooking. I just want it to be heated so the cheese can melt and be all cheesy. Y'all see that cheese? Woo-wee! This was so good. My cousin back there thinking he a chef trying to flip the potatoes. Look at him. Y'all, look at this cheese. Y'all, this thing was so creamy and cheesy. Even the leftovers was still bomb. And sometimes leftovers be slacking. Like, some people food don't be good unless it's hot. Like, it literally just finished being cooked. But yeah, guys, so this is just about it. Put the bread in the oven. And then we got a meal. Look at that. Put some parsley flakes on top. And add your Cajun seasoning. Look at the potatoes. Y'all, this was so good. Thank you for watching.